You can't perch there.
Hi! I'm an American citizen. I have rights. Your badge doesn't scare me.
All right.
You can't perch there.
Why? I'm an American citizen. I have rights. Your badge doesn't scare me.
All right, then.
I'm a parrot. I don't have money. Just bring the pepperoni pizza and leave.
Did you say pepperoni?
Pepperoni. Hungry bird here.
Right, 1 large pepperoni, got it.
Just leave it at the door. Officer, bury me.
You don't even have a ring.
I have feathers. They last longer.
Mm-hmm.
You call that singing?
That's the guy who hums like a giant blender.
I've dealt with criminals smarter than you.
Then you finally got an upgrade.
You call that singing?
Says the guy who hums like a giant blender.
It's just a tiny prick.
Tiny? I think I can tranquilize a dinosaur, but my spirit is already leaving my body. Ah! Farewell, Bruce Ranch.
Oh, hey! Okay then.
You yelled free onions for ugly people at the market.
Why'd you come running?
Oh, he got you. Bird.
Stay away from my ex.
I would, but you keep bringing snacks.
It's just a tiny prick.
Tiny? I think that could tranquilize a dinosaur. My spirit is already leaving my body. Nope, goodbye forever.
Oh wow. Okay then.
Respect authority!
Project Darling, you're a low cop. I've been on report for 5 years. Your biggest case is me? Call me when you catch a shoplifter bigger than a grapefruit.
I feel useless.
Don't say that. You're not useless. You're extra useless. I charge extra for emotional damage.
Oh, thanks, buddy. What's your beak?
Oh, would, but it's still thicker than your hair.
Who ate the cake?
Parrot the cake.
Hey,
Parrot did.
I did.
Why do you keep calling me stepdad?
Because your wife keeps calling me sweetheart and packing my lunch.
You gotta be kidding me.
Did you steal anything?
I stole your wife's heart. She begged me to take it because your belly enters the room 10 minutes before you do.
What? Wow.
You stole a credit card.
The only thing I stole is your wife in the car.
What? Are you serious? Oh, man.
Did you eat the seeds evidence?
Evidence destroyed, justice served. It was delicious.
You stole an engagement ring.
Who would I even propose to? The ceiling fan? Get out of my house.
Are you serious right now? Unreal.
My owner forgot my lunch again! I'm the victim, the hangry one! I demand justice and snacks immediately!
Hey, pretty lady, you checking my heartbeat? Because it's racing when I see you. You're ridiculously cute.
Oh my gosh, did you just say that? You're gonna make me blush, little guy.
Why is your lipstick that red? Wipe it off. You look too kissable. It's attracting trouble.
Excuse me? You're out of order, bird.
Hey, pretty lady, you checking my heartbeat? Because it's racing when I see you. You're ridiculously cute.
Oh my gosh, you're trouble.
Where were you last night at 9 p.m.?
At your sister's house. Daddy was dancing in his underwear again. I record everything for you.
What?
Underwear again.
Wait, what did you just say?
It's making stuff up.
Daddy was dancing in his underwear again. I record everything for you.
Oh, come on, really, you little snitch? I'm done. I'm out of here.
We need to give you a
Don't make me look naked in public.
No.
No, 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 no.
It's just us, bud.
Still public.
State your name.
Objection. I don't talk without a lawyer. I mean, a bird lawyer. Officer, why you bring me here? I'm fine. My soul has already left my body.
We gotta check your temp.
Where are you going to put that thing? Not today, lady, I promise you.
Flirting with an officer is against the law.
Then arrest me, gorgeous. I'll gladly serve a life sentence in your heart. Will you marry me?
How old are you?
I'm 31.
Oh, sorry, expired.
Do you have Wi-Fi? Because I need your connection. You can arrest me anytime, but please not my heart.
That's good.
Your buttons look tight today. I bet your shirt's working overtime. Must be a loyal officer.
Wow. Okay, thanks for that. Appreciate the honesty.
Your buttons look tight today. I bet your shirt's working overtime. Must be a loyal officer.
Guess I need a bigger size.
Why were you sitting in my chair?
It suits my pants, and your career doesn't.
It's just a tiny prick.
Tiny? That needle's louder than my whole neck!
You're not a doctor, you're a sword fighter.
Relax, your hands are shaking. You need this vaccine more than I do.
Oh, yeah. Right, okay.
Experienced in what? Bird murderers? How many didn't make it?
What did the suspect look like?
It was tall, and it had a face, and it was wearing clothes.
Don't.
911, what's your emergency?
My owner forgot my lunch again. I'm the victim, the hangry one. I demand justice and snacks immediately.
Sir? Yeah. I ordered my food 2 hours ago.
Sir, this is 911. Is there an emergency?
This isn't McDonald's?
No, it is not. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Then arrest them and ask why they're so...
This is 911. What's your
I ordered my
emergency?
food 2 hours ago.
Sir, this is 911. Is someone in danger? This isn't McDonald's? No, ma'am. You need to call the restaurant directly.
Then arrest them and ask why they're so slow.
Those...
You think you're funny?
Well, here's their own promotion speech.
All right.
Requesting backup at Oak Street. And bring crackers.
CRACKERS. Officer needs backup. I need snacks.
You think you're funny?
Ready to arrest promotion speech.
Do you have a flying license?
Do you have a breeding permit? Neither is your haircut working, but here we are.
All right. Fair enough.
You think you're funny, Bird?
Not as funny as your hairline trying to escape from this interrogation.
You crossed the line with my wife! You crossed it first when you forgot her birthday!
Oh. Wow.
You talk too much.
Not half as much as you talk to your neighbor at 2 a.m. The one your wife thinks moved to Florida.
You crossed the line with my wife!
You crossed it first when you forgot her birthday.
What?
Yeah, we all heard it.
Well, seems the bird's got a point.
Open the door. We want to talk.
How many are you?
We're 2.
Then talk to each other.
It's just a little prick. A little prick? Yeah. You're not a veterinarian. You're
Check your bag.
Bag? What bag? I'm naked.
All right then. We're clear.